cry, mother. I've been hurting for days. I keep calling your name through the walls and the haze. You look right through me, like I'm glass on the shelf. I don't need a sermon, I just need your help. I'm not trying to fight, I'm just trying to breathe. Tell me why my tears feel like they don't reach you. Hear my cry, mother, I'm in pain. Hear my cry, mother, say my name. Don't let me fall, don't let me fade. Hear my cry, mother, stay with me too.
Tell the little girl, you know, look how the face dirty. Tash! Hello?
Yeah.
Girl, come here. I don't understand you.
Yes, mommy.
Let me ask you a question. Why the kitchen look like this?
Mommy, I can't help you, you know.
What do you mean help? Girl, I don't understand. Who they provide in your house?
You.
So why me for provide and then come wash plate?
Mommy, when they pay your phone, you're going to your man, them. I say nothing. Mommy, me tired.
You know, so I will back say, girl, listen to me. I'm going to tell you this clear. You see your papa not doing nothing for you, you know. Remember, some me, your mother, your father in a one. Your father in a business boy, your father there, hold on the whole place. Girl, yes, a girl, listen. I bring girl out of the place to keep my GPS. So listen to me, girl. No, me may have nothing. Come and set the plate then.
Mommy, me tired.
You tired? Alright, this is tired. Don't wash the plate them. You not have nothing in there today. Nothing you not have. You see when you forgot school, me not give you no money for gas cook. I guess I'm tired for work. You understand? I'm tired for work. I'm tired for provide. You come like a work list, dirty poop. I want to come like the same thing. Sometimes I wonder how me give birth to a girl. Why is that nasty? We there together. Me a work, me a provide, me a send a gas school. Why the place can't stay clean?
Mommy, I first see the kitchen look so.
Yes.
Okay, me tired. Me get up this morning, wash clean up, and me
That not have nothing to do with me. You're supposed to wash your dirty clothes, them. You're girl picking it.
Me wash them out.
You watch them out. Girl, come put your kitchen and stop talking to me. I want plate for use right now. I can't get plate for use.
Me tired.
Oh, the little girl that stay so. Girl, wash your plate first. Wash your plate first. Because I want the plate to eat out. Hold this. You just nasty, so all the thing I want depend on phone. Tick-tock. No else but phone and TikTok. And then me just send a girl school for? Girl.
You're just shameful.
Me shameful. I gotta put out the things them and send a girl your pa. And see which one was shameful. Cause you see when me send a girl school, he not send a girl school, you know. He gonna allow you to be nasty like a him. Lie down in a bed every day upon TikTok. Cause that's him like do. So that's him go do. I tell you to man.
Nobody can tell me how to man.
Stop back and tell me how I want to play at them.
Mommy, but why you have to leave me?
Yeah, me tabbing me yeah, girl really far. Or I want to play at them. Sometimes I'm there for wonder. If I make it birth to you. Or I switch them, switch you. I have to switch them, switch you. Girl, rinse out the plate and hit me away pan. No, sir. No. I have to go bring you back down to the hospital. Go ask them which for my penny there. Give me a plate. I'm going to lick you in your head with it. Disgusting. Or if I want to plate them, girl. Move. Give me this. You can't do nothing good. Nothing you can't do good.
My love, I give advice.
Mommy, I have to tell them on the bed.
I hear one of them a people things them it. One tell little girl I walk. What you don't worry about how in your so look. When you never clean up in a tail, I want to clean up in a so but you want to sit down and worry about what it on the bed. I want. Tell me what? Girl, listen to me. You see you're hungry, go pay your papa. You hear? Me no Me not feed you. Girl, me tell you something. A man buy me them something. So me go out last night, go hustle, and go buy me egg and me something. Then me no come buy for me and you. Me tell you that straight. Last time I see a papa, a party, 5 man and 5 girl. And they buy liquor, and they buy NSC, and they buy this, and they buy that, and they can't buy something for you. When me go over there and go to him, oh, if she bring up him chest, no him workless, pick up him chest, see me? If she did come to me, should I get? See, go on to him, make him big up him chest and feed you. Come in and feed you. Girl, listen, my man buy me them something. Me you take a see, man? Me ask a question. You can't take what me take?
No, but okay.
Okay, you can't take what me take. Don't worry about my food. Sugar around there, so water in the pipe. Bread back supposed to run them. I'm not sure. Like a caramel round there, see the way you can go look bow. Like a carriage without let's go. Go on. Me hate your papa like. Bow, you go to papa. You didn't know papa? Papa take care of you, idiot girl.
Yeah, but I'm hungry. I'm going to deal with me one way. I'm not know which part daddy did. Let me care, madam. I'm not just treat me one way, brother.
I've been hurting.
Uncle.
What, my niece?
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, my niece.
Mr. Daddy.
Oh, your daddy?
Yeah.
You know what say? My pass daddy done I rub bar. Done I one bar in there now. Then I pass him. I drink a flask man and friend them.
I can't, brother. I'm hungry. I'm going to give me bread back. Who go eat bread back? And mother did me one way. Uncle, I don't like it.
But sometimes, you know, as a little girl, you have to eat long, you know. No, you have to eat bread back and look more you start eat a whole heap of bread.
But mommy could have buy something for me. And they tell me about man. And they tell me about my father and something.
Boy.
I know I said that not too in a picture, but you know, I feel to deal with me so.
Your daddy, boy. You have to know how life go. I grow, you know. We know. How say, when him pick me a grow, he might go come longer, so we know. So as I say, no, my niece, you know, you look nice, no, you grow up, you turn a nice girl. You looking nice and decent. How do you hear like that?
Hairdresser.
You look nice, man, I like it. You know, say you grow up, you turn a muggler. I see it on you, you know.
Yeah, everybody tell me.
I see it on you, you walk like a muggler, you shape like a muggler, you have a figure like a muggler. So you can't cheer up yourself. You know, I feel sad, so. So, differently. You can spend some money on you, you know. Yes. I can spend some money on you, whole heap of money too.
What do you mean?
Listen now. So me spend money on you, money can stay in the family. You understand me? If you go spend it on no woman. You understand the money generated in the family?
Oh.
Yes, that's what I mean.
Yeah.
So you know, say if me I do that, yeah, I can't tell nobody.
Hey, uncle, what do you mean if not tell nobody? What do you mean?
Oh, you mean women? Because that is a secret between
what
me
you mean
and
secret?
you.
So if you give me money or something, you know I'm going to turn already, uncle.
No, that have a school. That have a college.
Me not like how you talk. Me not like you. Like...
What you talking about, my niece?
Yes, about secret, uncle. Yeah, me like uncle, cause daddy bigger than you, Zane. You tell me about, oh, me not tell nobody, say, yeah, give me money and something. That makes sense?
Listen, yes, that makes sense.
Uncle, right now, me hungry, you tell me be a nonsense right now. That if you could have looked at me and say, alright, my niece, come we go to shop, go buy something.
Listen, later me check you and give you money. So, you remember say, your daddy, you know, done a bar. I drink crumbs, you know, can't go
so you would have look it, uncle, me not eat nothing from mine, me get up on the word. Mommy can't take me out of my bed, come wash plate, and sit here and tell me nonsense and me eat.
Listen what me I say, right? Your dad in a rum bar, I spend out a little chop pants, for money, you better go down a rum bar, go check him down there. You check me for the wrong time now, my niece. Me not have no money right now. You know say? You say what kind of time now? First time.
I don't know why me come to this family. Why me born then?
Oh, you mean you're born for a wise purpose?
So one on the uncle, you can't lend me your money and then you say daddy tells me you give me your money and then he give you back.
Alright, my niece. Give me a hand. Hear me, I say. Me can set a deal for me and you make a plan for me, you know. You can come up a yard and come check me and keep me company. You get more than money, man. You get more than money.
Wait. You tell me if you come up in a yard. Come do what?
Come keep me company.
Come keep which company?
You get more than money.
What?
You know say you want, you know.
Don't let me get. Hey, don't let me cuss the bad word. Uncle, me respect you. Me respect you now. You don't respect
Yes,
me. Me a little niece. So you want to come up here yard. Come do what?
Mama, just calm, see no.
No, me not. Don't come no mama.
Listen, you see.
You see where I come me hungry. I'm dark right now. You know what? Well, I hold me, hold my own. You hear me go to me puff for money. You're bright and feisty.
Where? Come on, you too. Eh? You give the boy them alcohol, you're dead for hungry. Eh? You see that sense. Wait, look for your daddy, you're a med.
Too bright and feisty. No, sir, me have to laugh. Daddy!
Oh God. Oh God.
Daddy, how much finger this?
Six. Well,
God
you can't trick me at 6. Oh God have mercy. What time now?
Daddy,
What time?
me no know. Anyways, me hungry, Daddy, me hungry. From morning, me don't eat.
Huh?
So buy me something, come.
Left me pocket. You a thief? Mary's a thief? Hello. You look, you know, eat from morning. Me there. I drink from last night till now. Me no eat. You look here from morning, me no eat from last night. You see all bar lock for me out there, so me just pass it. Me couldn't reach home, cause me couldn't walk. Me very high. You see me? Tell them what I say. If you give somebody money, yeah? Somebody money when me see man give him last night at a party. You see me? You see me, daughter? Me not happy. If your mother never put me out, you that will alright. Oh God.
Daddy, I'm gonna deal with me so.
Oh.
Yeah. Me tell her say me hungry at home, but mommy. Me go to mommy not give me nothing to eat than bread. Look like me have to go there and eat it and done.
You're lucky you get bread. Some no get not even the crumbs. You get bread. And you come here and tell me that you're hungry. You're ungrateful wretch. Are you ungrateful, sir?
Oh, so Walan. And that's why sometimes some girl drop out of school and they you know. And that's why. Can you have a nice, beautiful daughter? I deal with her like rubbish bin, brother.
Who you call brother? Who
Daddy,
you call brother?
You don't look like you're my father. You never give me nothing yet. Nothing you not give me.
Me never give
That
them.
walk parrot. Oh, my daughter, me love her, me respect her. Nobody can chop my daughter and this.
Well, let me ask you a question. Me, Jeremy O'Neill Henry, never give you nothing.
You never give me nothing yet. That walk parrot and tell the whole neighborhood. Oh, nobody can touch my daughter. Me spend good money for my daughter.
You know how much pampers they buy.
Me not talk about pampers. Me a talk
every
about
day your mother come and buy one pampers give one single. Cause me no idiot. Me no buy one pack me can waste it. I saw your shit. I saw she come for the pampers single. Me give her them single. Because she and her friend did breed same time. And she did a gateway. And your mother want to live the hype life. But huggies. Eh? Some of them young girls, big woman nowadays, when them breed, they talk about huggies and they can't afford it. Look at mines were cheap. Look at champion. They don't want it. They want expensive feeding. And that's why some man run off left them. But me never run. Me did turn up come here fight it like a G. But your mama push me out like a O. You see me, he roll me out. So, when you see me there, so, and I enjoy my two little rare nephew, me don't want nobody contaminate me. Me want to be free like a bird. You understand? You don't understand? At least I am your father, and you can call me daddy, and I can say daughter, right?
Don't call me a daughter, can you give me nothing? I'm telling you, hungry right now, just pick me up.
You're hungry?
I'm a tougher. I have me talk about that.
Hey, don't shut me up. Do not shut me up. You say you're hungry and just I take you. You walk over 1 hour. If you come down a bar, if you come wake me up out of me good dream. How me a jeans every day power and yacht and dash off US in the sea.
Yeah.
I have some big batty girl and slap them up and you come wake me up out of me sleep. Boy, you have gas. You should have. You're lucky you go sell it to people when then gas done. Yeah? Go sell it. If you have gas, go sell it to people when...
So daddy, why you deal with me, so daddy?
What me deal with you? Have I ever treated you bad when I was at home with your mother?
Me not talk about that, daddy.
Have I ever come from no rum bar and bring one soda come give you?
Me don't know, me I talk about now.
What you talk about now with?
Me not talk about past gone already. Me don't know what you're doing I past. Anyways, me know say you're drunk, but me have something to tell you.
What?
Talk to your brother.
Cha!
Talk to your brother.
What?
Daddy, he might admire me and tell me to come up and yard.
Admire you? No, man, I'm going to protect you.
Protect
If you might tell you certain things.
And that's the mommy say you're worthless. You.
Your mama say that?
Yes. He right to say. Me I tell about your one brother. I tell about and you must.
Your mama tell us that me worthless.
You're worthless for sure.
I miss your mama last night in our ladder. And look for good me. Good me. The only thing wrong.
Daddy, you want that money them when I get. You have nothing to drive. Down your foot them, daddy.
Yes, them better than car. Me don't have to go to the garage. Me don't have to buy no gas. You understand? 10 to a turbo.
You don't worry about mommy, but me I talk about myself.
Why do you think no people have belly? Why do you think no people have belly? Because they're too comfortable driving. They're too comfortable driving and riding bike. That's why they have belly.
So daddy,
They're not exercise.
Yeah, buy me not when me go grow in a yard because you talk be a rubbish thing.
Yeah.
Daddy, give me more. Daddy, give me.
Buy one. How much is? How much is? Oh. Yeah.
Daddy, why this can't buy, daddy?
Me don't know why they put 2 man for the money, they know, but anybody will put 2 man for the money, then gone. Anyway, relax. You don't learn to put your hand in a man's
Daddy,
pocket.
why this can't buy, daddy?
Why can't buy? Let me tell you why you can't buy.
$50 this look funny.
Let me look. Oh, can't buy one Rizla. Can you ask me why you can't buy? Me see why you can't buy.
Daddy, give me $500.
Me not happy. Go to your workplace, mama. Tell you say the man give you the 200 US. You should have buy your breakfast this morning. You call me workless and your mama workless. You hear?
Daddy.
Right. If you touch me,
Look how much money I have, daddy.
I'll put on a station and charge of a thief. What? Go on home. When you do part road, you look up picnic. Go on home.
And talk to your brother.
Me will talk to him and anything. Go on home, man. Go on home. Me tell him to stop protect you. Go on home. How much you take up? No. I don't go back to sleep. I don't know what she take up. I don't know.
Yeah, but I give good up data $50. I want to sell the phone. Right. What's that? I don't even know if my mommy.
Taps, where they come from?
Mommy, me go down there so. Come and see uncle. I'm a good uncle say in the bar. So me go down there to him. What? So me go down there to him. And he give me $50, mommy. $50.
Where they come? Who gave $50?
Daddy, so me taking phone. So selling a mommy. Selling a we get.
Who you taking man phone for, girl? Girl, you and the man aside, so you take up phone and
I'm a father. He don't want to give me no money. And for man, me not eat. I'm take it for
all of your best, man. People depend on the road and things, and me a wicked mother. Tash, me not tell you say bread back the rest of it. And sugar and water in the pipe, sugar round enough. Me buy 6 pounds of sugar put round here. So you're the car that I was hungry. Tash, which part you hungry? Girl, you love embarrass me, sir. What has happened?
And they didn't want to give me no money. So before we go to our uncle, before me touch me, my brain all confused.
You want me lick it back in a sack for your talk or your talk as on hot.
Before me go to our daddy, when me and the war come down, me see uncle. I may explain to uncle, say me hungry and something. You know want to know what uncle I said to me?
When I said to you, I'll lick your name off it up. Are you hungry? Talk.
He turn to me and tell me about he hold me on first. Me not take it for nothing, mommy. And he might tell me about me fi come up and yard and keeping company. And he have a nice white woman and foreign soon come down.
What's wrong with the uncle then?
The littlest one, and my name.
Why you tell lie? Girl, you so wicked and lie. First they walk power and tell people say you're hungry. After me they tell us say bread back round here. You know they tell lie. I can't dumpling man you talk, you know. And hello, your father not contributing in your life no one time because all thing your father do I take money they spend pan girl and man and all kind of people. I dumpling money me broke me can't grow. They say beg you $500, let me $500. Girl, all you stay so. First they walk I tell people say, how say you're hungry and this and that. Me look like a bad man. You tell lie pan man. That's why you just go up in a yard. Go up in a yard, me buff you. No so yard there. Up in a yard, me back say don't look a girl.
Oh, me I shoot, me I tell.
Which shoot?
Every time me I tell the truth, you don't want to listen.
Hello, man, people, you know you're a wicked girl. What's a girl about? First say the boss say you're hungry, they tell lie pan me, and you go say strangers power and they tell lie say you wish that they go up. Your father more than for telling them something that your uncle. And your uncle take care of you most of the time. Go up in a yard, that's too wicked and lie.
But mommy,
what me say? Then go up in a yard. Mataf, who's for hello? Girl, where you see your father there?
me don't know.
No worry yourself. I must show that run by there. Watch me and you make come up in a yard. What's it? Look at dirty man. This is all I do every day. But watch out, your body will hope in you today out here. So, do you in, do you out? A dog heard us come and just lick off your mouth and push them tongue in your mouth. Whoa, walk this man.
Fire!
Are you the fire they go burn? You in there go burn, walkless man.
Are you?
Who?
Oh God.
Papa, oh you're so careless. Papa, what's it? People and people wake up out of them bed, you're the first one reach out here.
After last night, they told me left you at the party when you're going at the ladder.
Now what about my ladder?
I come here to me flash on the old bar, man.
You just fast on wall bar?
Yeah.
Alright, you just the flash down bar, come. Come.
What
The people want to go to school and you're hungry. I think claim to say I'm hungry. I tell everybody say hungry, come.
So,
Matter of fact, hold on.
how you get my phone?
No, your daughter does me see with the phone. I'm testing me take it from her.
So you tell me, bro, take it from you, so. I mean, I wonder when.
No, call me putting a brute. If anything me putting there, anything, she want you are that too. You are the worst mistake ever I mean in my life. And you can't give it a second mistake. Come now.
I know anything she want me, I want come. Me no whore, me no female.
Whore? Papa, you was box you.
I never say she a whore. I just said, you say anything she be. She can be that.
Let me tell you something. Me probably no real. Me love me daughter, you know. Me probably not really in her, you know. But no ever call me that and a whore. Boy, I will give her a box. Now run put me, you know. Come.
Calm, no man.
The money.
Which money?
Money for send Tash go to school and the phone stick up to mine. Money for send Tash go to school and money to feed Tash because that's what my man not feed Tash.
How much money me see the man put in her hand last night? 200 US, right?
You me joke out there, you busy watch man money. You feel watch fear, but watch a bombard.
Hello.
Papa, you supposed to watch fear when you fear picking it. How me man walk on me foot and kill me out and breed me? Or are you? Which one?
Me never did directly pull out your foot still, you know.
Papa, stop it.
And the foot then go up.
Give me the money. Give me the money.
Me not have it. Me not have it now.
Oh, Jesus. Yeah, it's a wicked.
Hello. Listen now.
Give me the money.
Relax, no man.
Papa.
Let me have a man to man.
Man, no man to man, woman to woman, anything to woman, dog to dog, cat to cat come.
Remember say,
Papa, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying?
you give me bun, and you want me to mind my pitney. When you give me bun, anytime me and my pitney, me have to get somewhere where you have under your foot. You must be mad. Me not spend my money on that man, I get it for free. Let go.
Jesus Christ.
Wait!
Barty, Papa, wicked Papa. You're too wicked. You're too damn wicked, man. Papa, say they walk with cash, stack of cash. And you pin me up there, they feel hungry? No. See the phone? Know yourself. What kind of phone?
No.
17.
Under that. I will find the biggest one your man at St. Thomas.
5.
Where are you?
17.
Sell my phone.
Oh, I want 17 for back. I gotta sell it.
Okay. Yeah.
Give me the money.
You see what happened to Sylvia? Oh, Sylvia walking and fan out in front of your maggie judge of water.
I said, me boy.
You think I don't make jump out of you?
Okay. Calm down. Remember how male if me used to be. Remember how male if me used to be that I wash my drawers them. Remember make everybody in the world know say I used to wash my dirty drawers them. Remember make everybody know say you're workless man. Mama, man, you have to sit down over pan and wash drawers.
Yes, me used to wash your drawers.
How many you make drop?
But you drawers them went. They were full of yellow, yucky, pink, red, black, blue, green.
This is a purple next.
Huh?
This is a purple next because the funniest part about it. I would have white and dark, the pink, the yellow, the green, the purple, any color. And but I used to do over there and wash them, pin them on a line, take them up and fold them.
Why me breathe you?
Why me breathe for you?
You careless. You're a careless mama. You have to keep your compound hungry. Gas, full of gas.
Yeah.
Not big old 15
full of gas?
Full of gas.
Because they have gas up here.
Eh?
They have gas up here.
Yes!
It's not empty. It's very empty. Go over there, go call Tash. Drain him out so. Full up a pan. Since you say. Yes, in I am. Because me not understand. Are you there to mind you're picking?
Me should have called back my daughter. Cause you're a gas pan. Me should have make him load you up cause you're a gas pan. You is
who the gas pan?
You!
Aye.
When me know you was hot. Now you mash up from your left me.
Mash up? Yes, me mash up. Me body is firm. It is firm. It is still firm. Don't touch me. You're the worst man I ever pick up. How me look pa you, Papa look pa you.
Give me back me juicy melon. Me like to hold me juicy melon. Me miss them. If you want me to start my picnic, take me back in now. As simple as that, me can't buy me picnic and you have other man to enjoy the promised land. Me want to come back there and miss it.
How are
Me miss it. The land where, hey, no other girl out there will be there with. Don't have the promised land where you have.
Come on.
Me like, you remember,
not have your time.
You remember 5 years
Me
ago?
not have your time because it come like I say every man when me there with want me start hold them and box them dog. Because everybody are the same thing, you know. When you come like you don't want me holding and tapping on the tribe. And peer bond me get me there with you. Every man me there with me get peer bond. They are coming come tell me about juice. But me here me sorry the day me look pa you, me sorry never look pa you can tell my standard.
You know what they catch you? Through me used to have a little cutters. Your jaws flood out. You know my friend car when me borrow. Me borrow my friend car and jaws flood out on the seat. And when me see her get up and me see print out the liquid there, I say, wow, mama, Annie man. That's why me call her back in the car and breathe at the same time. Come see me most stuck with the one I stuck with you now.
I'm gonna get a metal foot because every boy just get stepping and watch me are you.
You mean my metal foot? You better get a metal jar too. And your front that run like a hog, yeah, we just running.
Dirty boy. Me can't believe some breed for that man there. That the workless man there. Dirty drunk crow.
Hello.
Hello.
I'm here.
You know what's my baby father? He walk.
Come on, Tesson.
I mean, my baby father down there saying, sir, I can't believe some breed for that man, the workless man. You know, take care of pitney in all the things in there, what on my front. In one, I'm going a lot of tea, that Benz, anything. In one, they watch. But in now, they mind the pitney. Watch it. iPhone 7. I let her stick up phone. 17. And in mind picking it. When me feel in my pocket. So, the same pocket fat. Kyle. And in take care of my daughter and that they walk power that people say hungry. Every man a dog, you know. Every man a dog. Rose! Where you going to sir?
You know, say every man a dog.
Not you, man. When you stop me, no nice boy, me know say you're different. Right? When you stop me, say you're a good boy, you're brought up right. Your mother, they bring you up good. You know, look like you're still like my baby father.
Don't tell.
So what's up? You have money?
I'm here for your money.
Me help you, let me help you.
I'm change with my way up, pull up clothes.
No, I'm gonna fix you up. Oh, yes, sir. I'm gonna fix you up. You know, I'm gonna fix you up.
So
So what kind of work you do?
your daughter how much?
My daughter? How much she be again? 15. Me no remember.
15.
Me just know me having for me at 14. I'm at 30 now, so check
me
it.
a bad girl then, man.
No, me the bad girl, listen. I just saw circumstances when I got there with a workless man, you know.
You're 14 in breed.
Yeah, I'm at a baby, me at 15, now me at 30. Me a little bit of pitney, now me at 30. So check her age, how much?
You know, just say it.
Me never tell
You
her.
say she 15.
Me don't know how much. So what's up?
Yeah, me there look for you. So miserably in the day, me one day miserable.
They all look me too broke and tormented and hungry.
Can't take you out your pain and worries and problem.
You can tell me what's in the pain and worries, baby. Don't worry yourself. What do you mean by? We can't take you out of everything.
You know? Soft, baby.
Very soft and dainty and all them so much here.
You know do hard work, man.
You know do hard work. What am I do? What kind of hard work am I do?
Can you make 360?
You can get all 640 if you want.
So, for 640 go.
I don't know that one, them, but just I say.
So then over palm and see if we
No, that too much. You even come soon when you Kyle and nothing. You understand? You want to bend over already.
Oh, you like so Kyle?
You like some money. Man, no feel, you know, woman, no feel like bend over. So the bend over, alright, listen. It's when I bend over too quick, you go bend over upon the wrong thing, you come bend over from baby father. Bend over in a wrong life.
You know, just some look like you're right type.
Yes, but I don't want bend over too quick, man.
Come up for me if you want to see Kyle, come here, have them up the stack and pile.
No, you can't come over my yard. I don't want to come over your yard yet, because I just meet you. I don't know where yourself, you can't give me a number. Wait, this is a fame phone. Put in a number there, so.
Good somebody in here if you feel no way.
No, I don't feel no way, baby, come. But this tag with the Kyle and the stack, they like you want, yes, I can bring up juice, give you, buck up in her, you know what I'm saying? Yes, buck up.
Sexy for your
Yeah,
phone,
buck up
though.
in her something, you know.
Favorite position that.
Yes, and it's a me workless baby father there, so.
Can you get rid of him?
As we get with him, I think I know some people look grammar zone. Give me a grammar zone for drink. I have a daily bar over this. So, me now watch him. I waste of time. I said, me go sell his phone. Me let him can get a 17 for him.
Sure.
You want buy it?
You still left for 5 grand and done man.
5 grand, you man. You know, I say 17. Listen. Up where I go, so. I'm ready to go, so I'm going to text you. Bye-bye, baby. Alright. Later, yeah.
But it feel good.
I'm going to text you. Bye-bye. Jesus. But I get man so quick. You look nice, look, but you look firm.
No one me born for. That no one take care of me and give me dry good friend.
So hot, man. Oh, God. Tally, tall girl, come here there. Why you looking like that? You can't, you mean now, if you want to talk, you can't come out as son. I'm not feeling it to come in on the sun to please you. What do you, why you look so?
Me not have no father love, me not have no mother love, me not have no uncle love, me not have no love. The only love me have a God that give me love right now. Me just put me trust in God right now.
Oh, God. How old are you?
I'm 15.
Oh, God. That's the worst part of it. Alright, let me teach you something now. You don't really want to love in a life to reach nowhere. All you have to do is just love yourself. Me, no, and my father grew me.
Where say no? Who made that say now? My mother gonna find left me poop out here. And my mother did that war take me from me young. But you see when me get older now, you see come I go do sexy and stuff. My father say me can't go on. But he did say never was send me from me young, cause what if me go there, my mother no make me talk to him and he no know me. So me know say my father love me. I look at father love me. My mother know me not really know, but I think she love me. Even though she fight for me everything, I think she love me. But yeah.
You see, when me talk to people them who forget love, not get it. But like how your parents that treat you good and things.
No, I hold up a beat in but I come back. Nobody look about it. So, but yeah, still love. Me understand. Look all of our guidance. No, really then.
So me I can be friends. See like a nice person me can talk for.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah, you want my phone number?
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, let me tell it. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, I go 356. You got it? 7838.
Right.
Yeah. You can call me anytime. Yes. Not tear yourself, man. If you feel long like money water. Oh God. You can't go now. Yeah. Smile. Skin of your teeth then. At 32 you have skin of a 32.
Alright.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Yeah, man. Walk with God. Walk with grace.
Right, Sid. Hello, you know see me where they going?
So, how you want to see me for? What happened?
So them man and me are deal with sir?
Nah, did no.
Come on, tell son, come on, sir.
I wonder how your daughter tell us about me.
Wait, what my daughter supposed to tell me say?
No,
No worry about she. No worry. Well, what's allowed? No worry about she. I something I could pay. I can't check it for.
Why was the way couldn't contract me for so?
And I said that 10 grand more verify though.
10 grand.
10 grand.
Yeah, me I say. No way you talk about no money. Me have money.
Yeah, money can get enough to borrow this tech. Man like that, my brother-in-law, man.
Me can get that for more than take. But me have to go to the bank first.
You got the bank. I was like, give me some, not worry. I say your dirty brother for staying like you, you know. Because you see your brother.
My brother.
Your brother. Your brother reckless and mean.
So what am I do, sir?
And I take care of picking you mean for them.
So him I take care of you.
Take care of who? I mean,
make you look, sir.
Who?
And buy all fast your gear.
I mean, man, I take care of me. When I go to Papa for money for even see Tash. Papa, I go tell me say for baby man see Tash. Are you? I give you the little money for girls' school sometime. Boy, I'm tell you the truth.
So him up there do? Not there live?
No, put him out.
Eh?
Put him out. At the roadside, him live on the bar. I must on the bar. Cause every walk a bar, me see him.
See how I go on, sir? I don't listen I go on in your life.
Me say.
Cha, you don't look good.
Me no business by your brother, right? No man, so, new man, never a man.
New man. Different. Listen to me, I say no. You see, the daughter, we have up there. See, upon her feed her. See, and if you send her come down, me had more while. You send her come down, me have work, and give her done there, no?
What kind of work?
Listen, a lot of garden work.
No, me touch go to school, but touch come here sometime for money. Me not say that here.
What's a long time, I don't see her. You know,
so much time I just see her a while ago.
See me a while ago?
Yeah.
I better lie, she tell.
Me not say lie, she tell. Me not just a little girl in a pure life, so she walk at people say she hungry. After me tell the girl, say, bread back there, water in a pipe, and sugar in a pan. And the girl go walk at people say hungry.
But in past, me done this one, I tell me say you not give me money.
So you just tell me say you not see her?
Eh? Come on, find out if somebody I tell lie. Come on, say you not feed her for morning, you not give her nothing to eat, you give her sugar and bread back.
So let me tell you, my girl, and water in the pipe. Water in the pipe, water in the pipe. If you see the bread dry, so just turn on the pipe and wet it up. Wet up the bread.
When you did smaller, that then you will give consume?
Yes. And that is not at all. Because it's touch and get from Mr. Touch, caramel the there. You see what anything you don't want that, water in the pipe. Water, sugar, caramel. You shouldn't have to use an Alaska. Use just sugar sweeteners.
If I me like touch, me run away.
Run away, shall
you have money, right?
Where me get the money from?
You just use it as spend for your body.
Money, so me go give up money for give.
You want money?
Yes.
You want touch? Come in here, then me going to some work for do.
Give who work?
Then you say enough for work for receive. If you not work, or you receive.
Listen.
Just so you look good, eh?
Me sister and I'm not supposed to I do nothing. Are you touch your knees? Listen.
I feel like
I feel like my man all of a sudden my feel dry.
So you can't spend no come spend 1 2 1 1 hour done there.
I want to go.
Then I had there.
Up on the road, me come go right now, my foot a crutch.
What if you go up on the road and now get where you want? If you come and say,
Yes, that's why me pay for come back a bank. When I come back from the bank, I'm come pay a yard for the money. And you come meet me over me yard.
No, sir.
Them for man not pay them game they with me right now, me thirsty. And all the money can buy your sister and juice.
Listen, water their pipe. I can't finish water with their pipe. So I got bank, just come check me. You get here for one, your daughter to want to take care of her, a nice girl. You so she pretty and nice. And so she slim. Them boy out the road and want a body, you know.
Oh,
what wanna do?
Man, the bank clock.
Man, make you look up in a road.
Later, I get chatting. You chat too much, man. Everybody come at the same thing.
Later, me see you. Come check me here.
No, sir. Hold on. Tash, go so. Pin on the bread. But Tash, and I bread back that, and I bread back me tell us if you eat. Girl, oh, Jesus Christ, God give me strength. I must sit down for that one. Because I feel like I'm going to drop down. Tash, so you mean to tell me, so after my man buy me my bread, and me have been this so generous and nice, I'm going to tell you, so take one of the bread back. Because you're my daughter, you go take out my bread, my slice of bread?
No, mommy. I really want bread that cost me over for.
One bread. Girl, your dirty papa just cost me a class, but rub me out up there, so. You hear? Rub me out. You see all this phone here what me have? It's a phone that me have. I go sell it. I go sell him phone. Cause guess what? See all these are money. All this stress and pain what your people cost me. I gotta use this phone here. Lavish it out and that can never pay me back. Tash. Me a talk to you girl, stop drink water.
Mommy, me hungry and me a eat you go
me no business. From man, me get should have me to the parole to visit your hungry with a wicked self. Tash, you know what say? You and your papa ruined my life, though, Tash. Tash, from me a 14-year-old, your papa breed me with you, 14. You look and say you're 15 and now, cause you did breed. I told me, oh, that's up on the road you end up. That's what my mama do me. You know, I'm here to look a girl.
Me know.
You know. You give me back chat, boy, you know. I'm gonna tell you something, Tash. You see your father, me no want it. You see your father favor.
Me know, so me I want me stay. Me know. You see the way you handle me, the way you treat me, come to you and say me want talk to you. You don't want listen what me I say. You just ignore me.
You're girl. You're talking can't put food on my table. Your food. You're talking can't put food on my table. You think you're talking can't pay bills in here? You talk about me hate you. You know I hate you. Girl, you see me never hate you. You see me did hate you, girl. You would have gone to school. Me never got. Me drop out of school from me at 14.
Mama, last me go to school. This week start. I'm not go to school.
Because me don't have any money. Because me don't. You lucky you can't go Thursday. Some people can never go Thursday.
Mommy, understand me go to school and meet you and about my father. Me go to my father and not give me nothing.
So for all these 15 years of your life, I'm here still not go to school. Why your father can't chip in now and still not go to school? If me did hate you, you feel like I say you don't have clothes to wear. Because I know your father didn't buy your drawers. You have on. Your father didn't even do your hair and because do your hair, girl. You don't still talk about me hate you. Me not hate you. Me just want the best for you. But you turn a look liar like a dirty pooper every time.
How me lie, mommy?
You know you just
when me come to you and I tell you things, you don't want to listen when me I say. You just ignore me. You dey pay your phone with your man them.
Now you just tell me say your uncle see and I tell you say look this and that and me just see your uncle and tell me say they say.
You believe me, I want to believe, and you believe what's
upon you? What's for you? This upon you. When people are 15 years old, then they go good. Some 15 years old, they buy a house for them, mother, you sit on yourself, I'll tell me, say you're hungry, girl. Girl, get up and move in front of me. Every time I see you.
Are you up and move, are you come?
No, hold on, wait. Every time I see your pa. Get up and go, hey, girl, and I'll kick you down. Who forget up and move? Me the size. No, Tash, are you that? No, yeah, your workless papa, they take ply, they take nail, they board up this egg girl, ramp with me, you know. I make sure I'm going to the house, oh, but they clean. I'm so clean, girl, man. She and her papa come like the same cross, the same drunk girl, dead be like a dirty pa.
Hello, young lady. How are
Hi.
you doing, princess?
Oh man, I'm okay.
You look nice too, you look blooming.
Me know thanks my father take care of me.
No. Where you come from?
Yeah, don't know what's where I come from.
Why me live on the lane here first time I see?
You're not supposed to see me. Where you pedophile? So where you look feel like a pitney for?
How old are you?
Me believe that you should not start with, you know. Either way, me tell me age. Me 17.
17.
Yeah.
17. Nothing wrong.
Yeah.
Me are 26.
Oh, big up to you. You look old though. You look old for 26.
Mature before time.
Eh?
Mature before time.
No, sir, you mature too much. Go back in the age a bit.
Like, really?
Eh?
That you say?
Yeah, that
So
me say.
what make you say so?
I pray, man, go back. Your face a show me 70.
I disrespect you, I disrespect
You
me.
not disrespect your brother.
Show you bleach. I hear do.
No.
I know your
I
daddy
don't
slippers.
bleach.
I know look on the shots. See your daddy slippers I have on. This slippers enough here. Enough here, sir.
Buy me a slippers, then no sense as I look. Me buy me a slippers.
For slippers I want, you can get more than
No,
slippers.
me don't want. Oh, alright, me want more than slippers. Here you know. Catch my phone. At you.
But I go to
Shut up.
expensive.
Shut up, no. Chill, no. Sometimes man chat too much. Man not fi chat too much. Alright, let me tell you. My subject them want pay for in high school. Here. Me put water, Wi-Fi, light bill want pay. We use cable too, so if you want pay for cable, you're free too. Right here. Me tired for walk. Me put tired for walk. Buy my car and can drive. Sorry, put that there so. You see, if you don't have the money for your car, you buy my scooter. If you don't have a scooter, you buy a gear bike. But we don't want a bicycle. You see, as me say, welcome. Buy me a slipper then.
May I put that up
Yeah.
for my mouth now?
You can't try, man, because you look hungry and damn like them white like.
What your father do?
What my papa do?
Where that
Are you a look me, no?
worthless man
No, come me papa work place.
Someone can't pay bills.
Sir,
Eh?
look at alligator.
Eh?
No, come me papa
What
work
a
place, you know.
worthless man there.
Hey,
Eh,
if you look
can't
at man,
pay
you're
for
supposed to can't pay for your
He
woman
can't pay for your
comfort.
subject, he
Where
can't
me
pay your
buy?
light bill, he can't pay nothing.
Where me
When
buy?
next time man go live with him?
Where me
makes
buy?
sense. Your mother like your mother worthless too.
So alright, so anybody knows saying work list anytime I look nice. I'm a papa flourish me, I'm a papa take care of me. Let me tell you
But take
that.
your own for your father. That is a
Where me
good
buy?
style.
No,
That is
a good
thing. You
style.
put on for
Me papa
yourself.
on for me. Me a on for me and him. We have to think about each other. In this world, there's nobody but us. Listen
Listen
what?
like your own for your father. It can't go work. You lose a good man.
Good man,
Right now,
Sir, your socks them look like say your checkers. You been a play upon that.
Listen,
Go
I'm
sit
not
down,
take
you
off
know.
online this, sir.
Me not. Where me buy? I'm not take off.
You see, edges want to do.
You know, see your head want trim. You know, see your hairline want straighten up. Eh? Your
Hello.
head dry like
Hello,
your head dry like my crux bottom.
just
Could
one.
it?
Just
You
one.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah,
Me
just-
don't know
just
you start me
one.
a fine.
Yeah,
You
just
better,
one.
hey, lock your face and move, no, sir.
Just-
Cause me been
just
a
one.
walk, and me been a flourish, and me been a go on, and you stop
You
me.
feel too much attitude,
Look here.
young girl.
Sir, you see if you can't take care of a woman, don't stop a
I
woman.
can more than take
Learn
care
that.
of her
With
first.
what?
Oh, you mean?
With what?
You know how much money me have? Eh? Listen.
You have money, I look,
Listen.
sir.
You see big house right up there, so I'm my house that day, no.
Oh, you
I'm
lie,
not-
so?
Listen, I'm my
Hey,
them are deadly fan that
I've
and give me
been-
that.
I want a man own it. You're
No.
too big and lie.
Me
Me
must-
been here, me born here, me never turn cut in other lane. Where you
But I
mean
know
by?
everything you know about in the lane.
Me never tell us them I know everything. You're too big and lie,
Just
man.
one. You can't bother with it.
I was wenting.
Attitude.
You stopped me.
And that's why you don't have no man. That's why every man we have.
Sorry.
You know something here about you?
Me did tell us me
Me
want
about
man.
you.
Me big up to you. Me did tell us me want man. Eh? Big 20-odd-year-old like you're not supposed to walk a hunt woman. You should have got woman already.
But
hey,
listen what me
look
have to
here.
know. Listen,
You
listen.
see, hey, you
Listen,
see,
go on.
you see if you have a little girl that will come in and sing. A little girl that can sing Johnny.
Could quit attack.
Yeah, nothing wrong with squid.
Cause quit attack.
Nothing wrong with squid.
You put a cause keckle.
Where? I'm no keckle, sir. Even if so. You put it, hey, go sit down, you know. Me papa raise a Taliban, sir, me not afraid to fight you. Your tattoo look like a them foot they use,
Girl,
Brian.
just-
Look, I've been wanting you stop me.
No,
Maybe
no,
not go
talk
about
to
my
me there, no.
peace, man. You
No,
chat
talk.
too much, you
Just-
swim
just
around. Sure. No, next
Just
time you see
one.
me, no bother me on the road.
Later have a good day, yeah?
Yes.
How where they do? Where they come from?
My bum bum.
Come here.
Oh my words.
Come here to me.
Yo, you couldn't clear it towards when you say this, so God.
Smile with me.
No. Militant.
What me tell us if you do? What me tell us if you wake up your yard?
Because I'm nasty and workless little girl.
Oh God. Me offended.
How much time I teach you cleanliness?
Wait. Just back man, you scare me.
Just reach back. I'm just back sitting in your face. What me teach you say? I'm gonna teach you to be cleansy like a girl.
Daddy, you can't call me work listen cause you grow me self no me grow at home. Me take you at home, me there so it. So behave yourself man. Stop embarrass yourself.
Who you talk to so?
Me a chat soft.
Man, me box up on your peanut butter lip. Now ramp with me and talk to me them the way they. You'll come hey.
Speaking softly.
See you. You'll come just like your workless mama foreign, you know.
Guess what? You hear what she did? Foreign. You see what you did? Yes, so.
Yard. Because we can clean up yard and keep place clean and so if it's in a yard, we don't run gone abroad because we can't clean on a yard. So we go abroad go show on the workless self.
I say, go, what she there, brother? Make more money than way I make yourself.
You see now this a yard? You can start listen everything what I'm saying and trying to teach you. Okay?
Yeah.
It's you go pack your bag, like I send it to the airport.
No, hurry up. Yes. Finally, hurry up. Oh yeah, we have to
you see sun a shine in idea, yeah? Don't get mad up on my nerves. Here, make sure you get your rake and clean up this.
You can't help it, you know.
This
You have to close them. You must can't react. Oh God, come on, man.
I bet I start take all the little clothes them when I give where I can start wear some mama frack and stop do all the hair and because you feel like you're a woman and
when last this you do? You see how they make you rest still?
Listen to me.
You see them?
Yeah, my little daughter, I love you. I don't want you to become something workless in life.
Yeah, no.
You need to listen to me.
I listen to you, but
I'm one seed. Listen to me when I'm talking to you.
You have to listen to me too. You want me to tell you something? You see if I continue to shout out first, I mean, I'm not going to talk to you or no. You cannot go on so strong. You have to grow me nicely. What do you mean by you grow me like a soldier?
I'm trying my best to grow you the right way, in the right position.
Mm-hmm.
You need to listen and you learn. Okay?
Yeah.
The phone thing now go work.
No.
To get to your brain.
No, I not get to my brain.
So listen to me. Go inside and make sure you wash up your plate them and get the rake when they do not come rake up here so I can call the man to come cut it. Okay?
Oh, but you're going hot.
Come back, son. Me asleep for. Where mommy there? You don't sit there first. Good morning, mommy.
Warm.
I'm hungry.
You what? Girl, what you say you do? You hungry? You hungry? Alright. You remember yesterday when me tell you to yam the bread back? And you go yam the slice of bread. The slice of bread when you yam yesterday, I eat a shred yam today. You understand? Me tell you yam the bread back so you can have the next slice of bread for yam today. You go yam the slice of bread. Go yam the bread back. I got a little dirty pooper. Girl, listen to me. Me tell you. Girl, Tash, you ever get hate your girl? Yeah, become a pet in my life, Tash. Girl, you stress me out. You see, I'm sitting here, somebody I think about life. But I think about if me never have your own farm, would I reach in a life? How much things would I achieve? Would I probably married you now, Tash?
Well, me at 15, me I go to school so me can make you have it out in life, mommy.
Alright, where have it out then? I don't understand. Can I have it out, you know? All the things that stress me out. They only stress me out, girl. Imagine, right? You listen to me? When me look for me, imagine saying, you're 15 years old, you're not going to school, because me not after you cross this papa now mind you, you know. Right? You're 15 years old, you're in here, so every day you sit down, mommy, me hungry. You're not going to look walk, sweep up roadside about that. Cause me tired of you, me not mind you no more, me fed up of you, girl. Imagine saying you're 15, when me I send a guy to school, I give you $1,000, $300, and $1,500 for lunch money, and me have to buy your drawers them same way. When big pitney, 15-year-old pitney, when them a go to school, them see some nice pants what them like. Them they buy, put on, you they wear nappy same way, careless girl. You don't realize how your papa related. Eh? You say, oh, you say your papa careless, I say you careless too. You don't realize? Girl, you're not come out to nothing. You're a deadbeat pickety, you're not come out to nothing. All the thing I'm gonna do, I want a big 60-year-old that's still in here. If me alive, mommy, me hungry. Mommy, me. That's the whole thing you know to say. Or you can't say, mommy, me want to go look at work. Or you can't say, mommy, you know, say, me want go there, so go do something so me can bring in money, me can bring in food. Why one day you know come and say, mommy, it's $500 here? Why? Why ever you're hungry? Why your problem, girl? What's your mental to Pitney? And then you may talk to Tash.
No, me can't deal with me, so. Me just can't tell you do everything we want.
Cause me tired of you. Tash, me tired of you. Me can't do this no more. Why you can't go pest your father like how you pest my little girl?
Mommy, I try, mommy.
Ball.
You just not deal with me, so.
You're lucky.
I like it.
You have to go rough. I know that. Ball. Shed tears. I know that. Go panic ground. Go out. Rest of go roll and tell everybody say me I ill treat you. You say like how you go out there so they go say, oh, yeah, they're so hungry. I say you for go on out there now. Papa smart will see and sorry for your girl. But tell you that your girl. Girl, why you not just come out of my life? Tash, why you not just pack up your things, them and go on to your father?
So me can't deal with me, so. What me can't deal with
Tash,
me? If I never want
you ruined me. You
should have dashed me away then. You should have dashed me away. Where came upon the world for if you treat me so, mommy? Why you treat me so? Me not do nothing foolish. Me I do everything we love. I treat me like a dog.
Everything I who love. You see like every day and tell me say you're hungry, girl. Yes, me should have best for true. Me sorry the day me never got far.
So if me go up on road right now and police see me and you them a come to our daddy.
Me this one now, me that guy kill this pooper. And him not have to find, you know, remember, him I was down the rumba over there, so him not have to find. One guess, then guess. And you can bring them
no matter how daddy said rough and thing, he still look out for me and give me look on. You not give me no ear no mommy.
Still do. So if him they look hello, me I talk to you.
Me can't
why you me in my whole house. So if him they look out for you, what you doing here? Go on, pack up your things and go on there then. Cause girl, listen to me.
Me simple come out here and ask for something to eat, you know. I deal with me so weird. Why you put your stress from? Go put this for your man them man and leave me alone.
Oh, me and Tash coincide now. Okay. Remember see you go come back in here. Now worry yourself, you're so breed. Try make sure that when I catch your belly and I come back in here with it. Kill his crosses, girl. God, why me never dash her away? Why me never dash her away? Imagine say this a girl I make me ruin my childhood. 14-year-old. Jesus Christ, God. What am I doing in life? What am I have to come get a little crosses picking look at this here? Now worry yourself. You shall come back, Tash.
Like how me a deal with him. He deal with me so weird. So
God.
deal with him back so
Yes.
Daddy, oh God, finally me not see a bar. Finally.
You not see me a bar?
No, me see a walk come out for go a yard.
At the bar me I come from.
Yes. At least me not see you the day asleep again. Cause look at that to your bed.
I'm in bed.
Your king size bed, big and broad so.
So you don't expect me to sleep a bar and open it?
No.
And me feel open it and I feel lock it.
Up there so, Daddy.
Huh?
Yeah, they're up there so, but every day you look at this, a special bed.
What?
Down there so high, but Daddy, me not time to talk about that. Daddy, me want to talk about. Mommy, I did me so weird.
How your mother deal with you?
You know, tell me say, me worthless, honey, wishing the dash me where you worthless.
Who worthless?
You.
Tell your big sour mama send me the worthless.
Not tell me about that. Are you sex and make me come on this earth, yeah?
How you sure if I'm your father?
You see me favor you.
How you sure say your mother did love money? Yes, like how the bees they love them queen. That's how your mama did love money, yeah? Me borrow my friend can go road the night as a young man. And your mother dressed up like a big man when your mother 14. 14, you know. Your mother tricked me. Make me think that she a big man. And make me end up breathing. And me ask her, you want the baby? She say, yes. And me succumb to your company earth. Right? As me tell you, your mother roll me out like a big hole. Yes, because me never have no money at the end of the day. She take me if you want like a broke pocket boy. But look at me now. God a flourish me. Me can buy me rum.
Daddy, want to talk about that. I'm hungry.
Every day you're hungry. You hungry. How you still living? Me don't understand. If every day you're hungry, how you living?
So you know, Daddy, what me could not deal with me so?
How me I deal with you?
If me and your daughter, and me come to you and say, Daddy, me hungry. You should have shoot down in your pocket and give me money and me buy something. That's how God goes to you know.
Buy what?
Something to eat and if a mackerel.
So me if you take my hard working money, give you. If you can't go give you work this more. Tell me now. Me, we are work so hard to my money. For care, dip it in my pocket. And say, hold this.
Yeah, give me your money. Daddy.
That is the thing with the young girl. The mom, I saw your mother did turn, you know. I saw your mother did turn.
You have money, Daddy. You can't tell me, son. Daddy, give me your money. Daddy, please. I'm hungry.
Hi. You have a thing named sugar. You have a thing named sugar, right? You go mix some tea and drink and bust gas. As simple as that. If I the brown sugar, don't use it. Magnet and glass and everything in it. Sweeten it, put in a one shot and strain it. That's all you have to do. Sometimes you learn to hold your belly.
Me can't hold my belly.
Why you can't hold your belly?
Me dead.
Let me ask you a question. You how much?
I'm 15.
Right. You are 15. You can't cook.
Nothing there yet because mommy not put nothing in the house. She just come in with big box of KFC, papaya and give me none.
So, me can live a house with my pitney. I'm coming with big papayas and big KFC and my pitney.
One thing he give me a scrums and me have to eat it because I have nothing else to eat.
Are you me have that?
But I eat me have
Yeah,
to
no, my
eat.
pitney man. Come with that dash in our face. You sit and watch your mother eat too much chicken and then get the crumbs. Are you that?
But me have no more to eat. When me come to you, you're drunk, you're the wine pan girl, and you're the arm and I have things.
I will tell you about me a wine pan girl.
Me see the wine pan girl, Daddy.
So,
But you want to make one new picnic and you tell this one and stress you out. Daddy, me can't, but oh, me stress out. Me don't, me simple contents, Daddy, me hungry. No, you don't want to give me no money. You just a boss. I feel your money.
I will put it in my pocket. I will put it in there. Eh? I your mama put it in there.
Come on, tell me say you're thief, you know. You're thief.
Yes. Me thief the quickie from her. That's all me thief and get you. That's all me thief. The quickie.
Daddy, you know,
Because she tell me say, oh, me are 18. And when belly start growing on me here, say, young girl at 14, me, your father, the up and down, police a look for me. Me up and down all over the whole niggeril a run and hide. All from boat, me a chuck like a Superman and I run from police. Until your mother reach 16, 17, then top look for me. You hear? Me tell her that. When your mama did breed at 14, me life never so pretty. Me couldn't walk. Me have to run and hide the police and look for me because she under 16. Me have to run and hide till your mother reach 16. Me couldn't sleep. Tell her that. That's why me tell some of man say, make sure the woman they have them birth paper when they look too young. Cause somehow una put on a big old feather for her eye. Una put on some sexy clothes, una put on tattoo, una bore up on the tongue because you know what, look like a big man. No, thank God you no put on none. Cause you have a strict father.
All the day, me not hear her say, alright, my daughter, come, me buy something for you.
Buy what?
Buy something for eat.
Buy something for eat.
Uncle has some cane, look like that, me have to go eat.
Good! My brother have cane, finally, go eat it, man. Eat it.
And that's what I want me to eat.
It better than dead.
That's what I want me to eat.
Alright. Yeah, me know why you come back again. So,
Daddy, give me 500.
If you put your hand one more time for me money, I shut your back, suki girl. That's why some young girl have belly.
Me are still virgin. You can't go a doctor and check me. Me are still virgin. Me not ride. Daddy, just give me a money. Me go buy some feet, no man. You just a stress me out.
Me did ask if you're virgin.
Me not business, but you tell me about man.
I sound guilty. Anytime.
Daddy, give me 500. Let me buy some feet. I go up our uncle go yam kids. Yeah, for just smile. Daddy, what this can buy?
Eh? Alright, let me show you something. This can buy one bulla. Right? Hold that. This can buy one local soda.
How do you say?
Yeah. And then, when you're hungry again, no come back here, so. Your mama. As me tell you, your mama did that $200 you what couldn't done so quick. Unless she go down.
So that you think about?
What?
If me buy bulla and drinks
Uh-huh.
You can't fool me belly?
If you can't full your belly?
Yeah, you go fool me belly?
Yes!
Why you go fool me belly, daddy?
Me don't know.
You couldn't give me not even 500, Mr. Me can buy one box food.
500 too much. My daughter just please, go on. Go on, go. If you need hungry, you're gone already. You know hungry, you turn up your huggy with me. You love huggy? Go on, go eat. You want food, you know, go on, man. You just turn up.
Sir,
And your mother, John, let me tell you something. Your mother feel responsible for you.
You response to me to a fear sperms go up in her vagina and get me. When I stress me out.
So boy, me didn't run off with your mother. You lucky so me still there and you can call me daddy. You talk about me a stress, me not stress you yet. Wait till you do your subject and you don't get hey, B. Okay, my friend. No rum today? Okay.
Thank God I can't buy nothing.
Niece, how make you remember to yourself, sir?
Me have to talk to myself because myself alone love myself.
So what wrong with you?
Uncle, I go like stay down now because you are the biggest mix up in our family.
Oh, me? It seems like me love people business. What you talking about?
Yes, because everything will happen. Then come back to you and tell you, you go like stay down now what happened in our family.
Who tell me? Me myself, more teeth and toe live on there, you know. So any news when I hear, I want.
Yes, uncle.
Want you?
I'm hungry. And daddy give me, look how much money daddy give me. You can't help me.
What can I help you, look?
Just,
Third no? What can I help you, look? You look loan for borrow? Where you look? House for friend?
No. Alright. Let me $500.
500, where you look for borrow or take? Which one?
If I borrow me old school, me can give you back.
Bit about borrow. My name's borrow.
Yeah.
You style me, you know.
Me not tell you, uncle.
You can look for big, me, I look 500 for borrow. Listen to me, I say. You can come up a yard. Come up a yard. You get more than 500.
So you have no money?
Me not have no money and no for me this a rush come out of your house.
Me know you always walk with money company road. Because when you used to feel big batty girl, them stay here.
Yeah, stuff and go on like you know my business. You know about me?
Me know your uncle, me know you.
So, we say, me go up a yard now, we say, you come feed up there.
Come.
I can't catch it, what you think, boy?
Because me not trust you. Because you tell me for come keep your company and me not trust you.
This just come on, no man, and just basically you get more than 5 bills. Me have 10 grand put up there. Me go up there, get it.
That's me hungry.
You know, if you come in here, I can see right out on your door.
Because they tell me for buy bull and water. And as me eat it so, me go, you know, go full me belly.
But young girl, like you eat, look, eat long. Your girl never teach you.
And this not if you can buy bull.
I mean that can buy bull and water, but the KFC and one. Come on. Come on, minis. I'm not like how you go through struggle, so you know. I'm not like how your parents might deal with you.
Me have to deal with you.
Come like me have to go hard up you, you know. Minis. You know what that me have to go do? I have to go tell your dirty daddy, your cross daddy, your dirty mother what up there. Look on you. Eh? Come on. I gotta see all dirty daddy and want him.
Uncle, me not like him and he touch me up far.
We are taboo minis. Calm yourself now. You might not know enough. You know, listen. So anything going enough, you tell her body.
Me and niece. I mean, simple come and sit down on the settee. You have to turn round and you catch your head. Me niece, me love you, me rate you. Uncle, me don't rate them style, man. Me don't rate them style. Me little niece, so look for me. And if you take long for just give me 500, I'm go buy something for you. I go through stress already. You don't want me for dead.
You don't see them little boy not good for you.
Which little boy?
Listen, uncle and niece a good soup. You
which uncle and niece a good soup?
Listen, more or less
you're too nasty, man. You.
Say you never know when you want my money. You never know. When you beg me 5 business, you want 5 business, you more than 5.
Me have blood. And I say, step in blood. I feel me up here, touch up me. I go tell me pie, you know.
Tell mommy.
I go tell me pie, come now like you touch
so
me.
you
up.
feel like if you
I show me start bust best and look up batty and something and start do up me here and something. You want to come touch
listen,
me
if
up.
You tell,
and that's when I no pick
listen,
me.
if you tell mommy, you know, I feel like mommy I go believe you. I mean she go believe you damn idiot you. Cause she know you're bad.
Me realize that you not like me and you don't love me. My father not even love me. My mother worse. You worse.
That's why I want to spend the money upon you.
Not spend the money
you know, if you walk up
the
and
big
down.
girl at America.
Just come sister go and you know my life no. Oh yeah, see me say Tom Dick and Harry over this man.
Me not business and me not care. Me make you whole neighbor with no say you want to ride me.
Just give you a mouth now. Go and go tell your mother. Go on. Go on.
You see if I never...
Go and go tell your mother.
Hey, you're lucky say me not care me something for me because I would have stab up you.
Stop what? Go where you go?
Wicked.
Oh wicked. You never know say wicked for you I beg me money. I beg me 5 bills. Eh? You go on.
Rotted, nice guy, walk on. You know what I say?
So you go on, you know.
Let me go on.
I always love your energy still. So I pray.
Me that you go to school and sing. You're nice. Every time I see you get nicer than nice.
So okay, go on, sir.
No, you know I'm telling you, you look nice, you look sexy and fit like you're ready for the thing. So I'm going to have money for you today.
Once I sit here and beg from me, see you come and go and say, you know.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening, mommy.
Good evening, Tasha. What?
My daddy give me $200.
So what you tell me say if I get $200 for?
And I go down and shop and he say you want more money.
You want more money? For the what?
You want to buy something to eat.
Go out in front of you, this and skin out. One man must see and one gain something else. Girl, me not have it. Why you interrupt my babes, come over here, sir. Why you interrupt my conversation? I say my day start talk to me, man.
That's a quick fine, man.
We can get her money, you know.
Don't give her no money. This a girl don't deserve no money. This a girl deserve to go a back road, pan a bridge. No money she don't deserve. This a girl not good for no. Hey girl, me tell you something.
Yes,
you wanna see me? Tap in this.
Yeah, well,
Don't give her no money, that me say. Girl, you wanna see me no man? Don't come stop me or come right and say, hear me tell you? You can take away my gear? No. God better go look for a man for yourself. Matter of fact. Oh, you go up. You see your workless girl. Which man you ever see her look for your mother and a gear $200? You go make your dirty workless papa gear $200. What $200 can do?
Can't be
You know no sense. You know see?
Really, you shame me from stranger, mommy.
So now you come shame me from stranger. Didn't you? Tash, didn't you?
I seem to come to you and me hungry.
Yeah, you can't.
Nyam shit. Nyam shit. Then, nyam shit then.
You can't talk to
come
you
on.
can't talk to your baby like that.
Which baby? Who's a baby? This a whore? This a sin thing, yeah, baby? What?
Why?
She a what?
Whore. Workless whore. You imagine, listen, you remember the time when you see me on the road and me a grumble? And this a girl here, go tell people, say, oh, me not feed her. And how me have her suffer. And I just get a plate of food with the Stephania.
I mean, just got to take out money and pack it for gear.
This a wicked skin here.
So that means you're a good boyfriend down the road of mine to see.
Man ain't gonna me to go tell lie by my father. Anyways, give me the money where they go get.
So, oh, you never give me $1 yet and it look like she take care for you? You never give me the money yet and it look like your daughter mine, man.
Mine, man, she have something, mine, man. She don't have jacket in her, she body wall. Oh, she feel mine, man, every day and get up. Mommy, me hungry, I have favorite word. Anyways, give me the money where they go get her. Me hungry. And I'm me, I look.
She look hungry for sure. Look how she look and look how you look. Like you all wanna eat off all her food them.
Voila.
Oh, me can't make sure starve.
Wait, voila, baby, voila. Nyam grass. Nyam grass. You see, since you want to be this, you want company road come embarrass me, right? You want everybody feel like I say, oh, me's a workless mother, right? Okay, no.
So you treat her?
No problem. Hello, stop your nice. I mean, I want her, my daughter.
Who fi stop which nice?
Alright. Since I want everybody on the road for things, say, me workless. I mean, I do nothing. This is something you did,
tell me something, so if me breed her, so you're the cheating pitney?
Oh, you're on the road, girl. They make everybody go down in the friggin' yard. You're on the road side of embarrass. Make people feel like me not take care of your workless girl. Hey, me hate you, girl. What you want to say?
You sure say you pitney in a jacket?
Me, I wonder if like them switching to the hospital. You don't know girl, a wicked, you don't know how you see her today, so it's a wicked girl. It's more things a girl do me. You know, I'm pregnant with a girl from me, a 14-year-old. Me not live no teenage life, nothing. You You know how struggle and hungry me bear. For this little evil girl, and then come parade and say, oh, me are the worst.
You have her too early.
Okay,
your
that's time for go and go take man now. Like how me the take man, I say for go take man. Let you come where I go up. Come I want some money, I'm say with money. Come now.
Yeah, listen to me. You have her too early. Look like you did love man like dog, so she come a love man like dog too. You have her too early and never wait till the organs
I grape her father grape me.
You hear what I say?
Grape me in the car. Come now.
You hear what I say?
Go pay yard. Me no want hear what you say. Why you so you just invest yourself in my life story. You're a child. You can't tell me if I'm picking it. I'm picking it. You want to tell me.
Listen to me, Raging Bull. Listen to me, Humpty Dumpty. You think you're that you talk to? I mean, have you money to spend?
Who the Humpty Dumpty?
Watch your mouth. You hear?
Who the Humpty Dumpty?
Shut up your lip.
No, shut me up. That's why I don't want man like a who know. Imagine say, me and you look me, and every daughter you look.
Oh, look here.
Like me see you know, from my daughter come right to say they look for me daughter, we like my daughter.
Yo, calm your nerves. Here.
Where go for what?
Calm your nerves. See man like me, yeah, gladiator, here. Calm your nerves, baby girl. And your daughter this. Me press you. Go on up so.
Make a pattern.
Go on up so.
I hold up boy.
Shut up and more.
Alright, no worry yourself.
Then pay for this, Adara. You look like you're mad. What do you? Oh God, I come like it's a big dumb in your chat too. Oh, help me, Father, forgive me. You can't talk, you know, what do you?
Same thing when me tell them I treat my bad.
Oh God. Oh, you have to just live with it, you know, no other option. Yeah, so what do you?
Me hungry. Go to daddy. He give me $200. Mommy I treat me like a dog. No.
Oh God.
Sometimes I wear them and come up, but no. You know, like, you never the person, like, you word want come up, but it just, like, something stuck right, or so, like, I saw me feel, but I don't know if you experience.
Oh God. So you hungry for real?
Hungry, daddy give me $200 like that can't buy nothing.
I thought you say look like I want like a shoe puppy. Alright, here what me I go do now. Me I go okay, go to the shop here. And I go buy you something to eat. But no make it be a regular thing. Cause you see me now, you have to work smart. You see me, my father no know say my mother send me money for my like a card. And my mother don't know say my papa out here is taking care of me. You have to work smart. Come now, come. Me not like see you hungry, come. I don't miss it. Come move now while you're waiting and come. Yes.
Hear my cry.
Yes.
Wow. Tash, where you get banana juice from? What's on? Girl, me a talk to you. So what me have to deal with this, sir? Where you get banana juice? How much one bun? $300. How much for your juice? So your father give $200. Right as you claim to say, and you buy banana juice for $500 in all. You see, I'm telling you, man, you got to take girl. You see, I'm telling you, work. You see? Because when Papa give him $200 to claim for saying, and she come back with banana juice, $500.
Picking with her.
Oh, you don't tell me for raise my picking. Don't tell me for raise my child. You see this? Attitude she give me. Attitude. You're not a picking, you say, come tell me for raise mine.
You're not brighty. You're a pretty daughter.
Girl, me talk to you still I eat. You mean some lick across your neck?
So you behave.
Oh, I tell me, boy.
But you're not feeding.
And you tell me, boy. Laugh one more time and me a chat to you, girl. I'm going to kick you in that so. You see how me there, you saw me a chat to the girl and the girl turn around, face and I eat and me talk to her. Alright, turn on back.
You get something to eat, man?
I left bread in the house. Water to the pipe, water cannot down.
Bread.
Bread.
Bread a girlfriend.
Girl, turn me on. Turn me box in your face. Turn me, make chat to you. I don't understand how many talk to girl, they turn teeth. They smile.
Yeah.
Babes, later.
Okay.
Alright. Later, man. Your man, later. Girl. Oh, wait. Give me this, yeah. Give me this, yeah. Let it go. Pass and make you over this. Matter of fact. Where you get money from? Where you get money from? Where you talk to? I need me to talk to where you get money from. Where the money?
My friend Ben.
Your friend buy it. Girl, your friend buy it. Let me tell you something. You're the next one. If you see me, I'm a man. I know why you embarrass me. Because you're the same man, I'm going to talk to you like you're a big woman. I make people think that me are this. Me treat a bad girl. You understand? You go behave yourself and start show respect. That's why some man you go show him respect to. And that me tell you. Can you feel like I say you go make that man there sleep? Girl, let me tell you something. I know what that man there no. I'm only me use him for. Same can help me. Cause I don't know. Pay papa work with. But anyways, what buy your juice? No matter tell me about no lie, don't no friend. But that's why me have 50 me bad too. So sit down and tell me what happened. Who buy your juice?
I want to sit down, man. You did me some way I mean I like.
Ah, yeah, because you not like it. Me like it. You not like it.
Even though I go through things. Yeah.
Where they go through task? Where they go to the 15-year-old workless again? Where they go to?
Like me, I have. Why you deal with Mr. Mummy? Why you deal with Mr. You know me, I got through.
Come here too.
Eh?
Cause me not like
you. No, see, I but I'm not deal with Mr.
Look here.
Eh? You're not kidding.
How you not load up bites off of?
Come here, load up.
Hold on there.
Yo, you know how long me I hold them a hanger ya? Eh? Take up something and beat me, man. Take up something and beat me. Beat me and me too. Cause that's what you want to do.
Gosh.
That's what you want to do. You hate me.
Where they go to? Where they go to? Tell me where they go to.
Me take pain and like me. I tell about me fall. Me know some father like me did you know. Me know some and me know some uncle not like me did that.
Why your uncle not like you?
My uncle want to have sex with me.
Your uncle want to have sex? Sit down, me talk. Sit down, me talk, girl. You said me not teach you good. Now me tell you to sit down, black girl, sit down. I'm trying to eat that girl, man. Hold on. Me dey go for something in there, so. Your uncle not like you. That's your uncle not like you. Alright. Me not like you, your uncle not like you, nobody don't like you. Alright. No way yourself. Who not like you? Get up. So what what's up? Why you deal with the girl left fire lick? Alright. It is well. Pass ya, come on. Tula ya, come on.
Why you throw water upon me? What me dear?
It is well, girl.
Why you gonna throw water upon me? Why you throw water upon me? You know, real because you're here.
Come here. Hold on. Hey, come out. Go. You see now? Matter of fact. Yeah, me I put you with empty bag. You know why? So you come in here, so. You never come in here, so with nothing. You say me give birth to you, girl. You never give birth to you with nothing. You come here closeless. Matter of fact, take off that.
Take off what? You can't take off nothing, man. You're good, man.
Come back. Big church out whole girl. Come back. No, sir. I thought you go out with me. Me and mother thought you go out with. Over yourself. I have a plan for you. Watch me go grandma's zone in here. She up there. Hello. Where you coming from?
Me yard nigga all asleep, man. Me tired.
Are you me that walk look fine now?
Me last?
You look so because you know there you're just a regular spot.
You hungry too?
You're comfortable.
I'm hungry too. You can't look for me. Can't come like I'm in the hungry truck. Yes. I'm here the hungry truck, man.
Yeah, listen to me good. Me go down there, so, and me I look for you because you're not at the bar and at the bar. If you ever know what I'm for you, listen to me. I'm going to tell you from now. Hey boy, you know how you cause this year? How you cause them stress upon me, you know? What? You bring me at 14. Now, your daughter wake me up while I go up a yard. And choking on my chest. So listen, now me I go choke back in your chest in the papa. Papa, you ever go take cash, you know, so tell me what you do.
Oi. How will you do?
Alright, we go find out. Papa, you go take Tash or what up because listen, Tash not even in my yard, you know. No girl will beat me up now staying at my house. So tell me what you go do from now.
Let me ask you a question. Me, yeah, look pan and a chuck so.
Me normally check you.
Me, yeah, go along so with.
Me normally go along with you.
Who cheat me and tell me that they are 18? No, you.
Papa.
No, you.
At least I find out that me was 14 when they breed me.
Yes.
You find out.
No, find out. I'm going to run from police. Me as me a run. Eh?
It's up run though?
Yes. Because you're a big cow now.
Listen, walk out. What the cow? Listen.
Oh, yeah, woman hungry me so.
Me normally woman hungry. You go take it, girl or not? What happened?
We can't let nobody know. You don't have to hungry me so.
Papa.
Me have diabetes.
Me have blood sugar, me have everything. Listen to me good. Yes, when they breed me, my mother put me out and me have 14, Papa. When me have 14, my mother put me out and pass on me. Stop me balling when me a ball.
Me have a ball, you don't understand. Me feel it, you know.
What you feel? Because my mother put me up my roadside, Papa, I know
me couldn't sleep at night time, you have to run. Every time it's blue light, me a run.
You tap run? Me take up a ball, me a ball. It looks so wonderful when you a ball. It looks so wonderful overall. We go ball, you know, you look what's so wonderful.
No, a ball, me a ball can't come like me a the picnic. Can't come and jape me up like me a picnic.
Papa, I understand.
You're a big man, you know.
You're a big man. Big man take big man responsibility. And then I come and say, listen, Papa. Papa, you're a breed me when me 14, Papa. Him man say, Mama run me to the house. That be nice when me talk. Mama run me to the house. No, touch the big 15-year-old, Papa, you know how to take care of picking it. No, touch them.
No. Your mother run you out when you are 14 with big belly. So you want to run out a 15-year-old with flat belly. Oh, me get it now. You sit not far from the block.
Papa,
you do what your mother tell you.
I'm only answering you. Me the war, my mother. Touch them. Come up in my face, they choke me. I touch them like you, you know. Are you? Touch them, go on, like I say. Papa. Touch the left yard. Me make sure all is okay. This is what that touch the yard. When with touch the girl $200. Touch come back in her yard with juice and bun. Me simply talk to the girl.
When the girl get too much money for buy
you know back so that be nice. Who careless? Which man on this earth? Just to give them $200 for buy something for them. Tell me. You don't mind touch for 3 weeks. Touch not going to school. Me don't mind touch for 15 years. Papa, 15 years. Me tired.
No, you lucky you survive. No survive 15 years. If you survive 15 years, you must thank. I will
look man, Mama tell you something.
If you time your way to go buy a wig and go put an eyelash. I don't know who the eyelash is, but one part I missing. He crack up so. He come like when time gutter and catch water. He just has swim.
Where you talk to? Me understand where you talk to. Where you talk to? Let me tell you something. Cause you come like say to me sharp. Let me climb up. Come over here so. Let me tell you something. Papa, you see, you know, my task, I come up in your yard. Cause me tired. No picking no go beat me in my whole yard. Why Papa the sky laugh. You know, say me have to pray to. You let me hear say they run the sky laugh money per man. Devil man, dirty man, workless man, man, you pity and they hungry.
Let me ask you a question, right?
I'm make sure let you go to. Can you be so sensible on the road?
Right? You cost me not to be workless. Me admit it to me is a workless father because me should have stopped the drinking and pay attention to my child.
Alright.
And make sure my child grow up in the right way. And make sure my child have no mother like you. Yes. Me admit to me workless. Yes, it's true. Because I should be a better man and take my child from you.
Hallelujah. Me did that go right. At first you're right. Take her.
And grow my child in the right way.
Yes. Hallelujah, Jesus.
Like a cattle. Like you. I raise my daughter. Me too fool.
Yes, a fool.
I should never have a cattle like you. Call it.
Who is cattle? Papa, who is cattle?
No,
let me ask you one question. You talk about cattle. me tell you what happened. This is me settle. You're like piss of yourself. I'm gonna tell you something. Task come up here, yeah. Why? Murder! Jesus, me tired.
Yeah. Calm down. Yeah, go on.
Okay, I'm skin out in the road and bad. Say they post me down for rape me. I'm gonna tell you something. You say, oh, you can't maintain task. You want me to try? You say, you can't maintain.
You're so wicked.
Tell them to listen to me. Cause at least me shot a long time, you know. Me go up a police station. I'm gonna tell the police, them say, me dey sleep and one man broke in my house and rape me. You say, Tash can't have money for gas school and eat at daytime and time and come here, you know, go and give big money, big 20,000, $25,000 a week. Papa.
Is that which life?
Alright.
Wish.
Alright.
9 to 5 I give them pick the 25,000 a week.
Which man, you know, and they walk and they class money per man buy Hennessy.
I'm a friend them that.
Okay, so that's what your opinion. Anyway, this so.
Which girl? Tell me which girl, right? Tell me which girl. I go buy a wig and don't mind them picnic.
Who they buy? We got a man pick. Don't worry yourself. Don't worry yourself. Me, everybody, come. Yes, take me up. Take me up.
This is the thing.
Move. I'm tired of you. Let me tell you something. I'm tired of talk. You see, listen to me properly. I'm going to go to police station. I'm going to cut up myself and tell them, say, you hold me down on the bed and they me and hand me the bathroom. Yeah, I go shed their water. Make Tash to get a 24. You see, so go laugh with you and go argue with you. Make Tash to get a 25,000. You see? And you go see which God you serve. Watch what something done with you. If you run bar, if you smell it, I want a rum. I gotta make them lock you up. And me go tell them say they touch me under age 15-year-old daughter. Watch me and your papa. Upstairs and me they go. Make the car pass. You see me the laugh? Me go police and me go bar out and me go say, God, me get a preview. Now go to police officer me ever know. He might have touched me under his daughter. You won't picking it. Don't mind now, you go to the wicked side of me. Okay. Now make sure you get her lunch money for gas school. I don't talk to you.
Love me, Jack.
Dumpling man. I went there. Dumpling man. Where there?
I want one more. Where I can tell us about.
Where I go?
Friend, you know me think your daughter tell us about me and you come back and call me. I want to go on now.
I'm not have to tell me about you.
No.
Hello, right now, come up here so grieve, you know. You leave it here with me if I say you come out because I run. Like an idiot. You idiot?
Oh, you mean a grieve? What happened to you?
Let me tell you something. Your workless brother, your dirty knees. After your knees beat me off, lick me on my chest. Me go to your brother, come to your brother, run me and beat me like a dog for the road and embarrass me.
My brother?
Your dirty brother.
I don't deal with that, you know. And that's why me and that don't deal, because you don't have no manners, you don't know if it's treat woman.
Take care of my face for that talk.
So talk to me and me I tell you.
Listen. Beg your money, cause right now, you know, me stress out and I feel like I put out her knees. But I want her money because I want to buy something.
What you mean you put her out? You can't do that.
You know here?
You can't put her out.
And the money we are talking about.
But you can't put her out.
She can't come live with you then. The money.
But you got her truth. So, you still have your account?
Yes, the same.
The same account?
The same.
So, me no can send the money to the account?
Yes, 65,000 I have it, 35
No,
now.
me have 18,000.
Alright.
That can help you?
Alright, yeah, later.
So, how you go? So,
what you have to say?
So?
What you mean? I come to tell you what happened.
So, we can't go in a house for reason, you know, boss want to look a piece.
But what? Well, I'm not here, but wait. Well, so here's a come like a dirty. When you don't come again, talk. Let me hear you.
We can't go there, boss want to look a piece.
Boss look a piece, you idiot? Look like careless girl to you. Some people look like spastic look at you. Cook on you. And freak you.
We help on a call something. Eh?
Yo.
And I something money you want. Where we go?
What the fuck? I don't want your money. Mama tell you something. So when you see me, don't ever come chat back. You look dirty.
I mean, you come confirm.
You're green in the car. The green like a cedar. Hello, my yard push me, you know.
One, your granny spray your granny clothes. One.
Excuse.
Girl,
Now you're green.
Girl, excuse.
I know, I believe what my daughter tell me, you know.
The daughter, she a lion. I shut about not feeling my bread, not feeling girl pan down there.
What?
Eh?
I will lick your feet. Hey, boy. You let run.
What?
You let run. Come out.
Wake you up. Like a 10-year cabbage. One,
No, I can't shoot touch her tail.
Hey, I'm sister-in-law, but
I can't
you wrong.
touch her tail. Come back out here, me let it broke you up. Idiot boy. You let green, your mouth pink. Buy it to what you want. You want bust up, but I can't buy it like you. You? Come on, you know, boy. No real life. Good dirty girl. After watch me and him, boy make girl buy him bun and swizzle. Bun and swizzle. Father embarrass me, nobody embarrass me. No more you know.
Hi, miss. How do you? You look troubled.
Girl, may I say
No, size in the clothes or shoes. Me and you could never be size. That is disrespectful to the small, petite community. Me just hear you did us grumble some while ago. Me did want to clarify. Which I want look a young girl you chat about with
my daughter, your workless papa and your workless uncle. Everybody in the family workless.
Oh, so I didn't know. Oh God, poor kid. I made it by the little girl, the little bonus was because she hungry.
Okay.
Okay,
Yes,
well.
how old are you?
Oh, I'm 17 now.
Okay, so Tasha 15 and you're 17.
Eh.
Salvation Army at work?
No, it's just that my parents never work less and didn't take care of me.
You something, girl. You see anytime I see my picking up on the road, no buy no game. If you see him, if you see him there, you're dirty hungry. Don't even give him water. You hear me tell you?
Why?
Me don't want pick that no fire. So when I see me pick the girl, love me pick me alone. Leave my family business alone. Where you pay crosses that take me? Look at you, mother, like a thing. You see, as you want the food, you don't walk and give you food you want. You in need that more.
Okay, you don't know. You don't chat. Alright, my turn. Watch this. You say anyway, you never did work with you, you like skibby people them. Your pitney would have to come on the road and about for hunger. Me maga, me take care of. You know the reason why me don't fat? It's because I do not wish to be fat. If me did want fat, me don't fat. My mama there for my mama say money can't give me. Even though she not there here physically, she make sure say me alright financially. So me well taken care of. Me papa my rough, me and him may not get along, but at least him not walkless and him mind me. No matter how disrespectful maybe my papa still take care of me. You hear that? Get that in your big
scrubby, dirty, careless, chronic girl. Let me tell you something, girl. Me no step. Me never wrong you. I don't rang you. I rang Tash. I rang girl. Me
rang Tash for what? Yes, anyhow you did not take care of your picking. Try. Oh God, wait, man, put on my phone because you can't buy. If you can't feed your picking, you can't buy my phone. Try. You know me papa race. Me papa race.
No way, listen.
Look here. But you start picking it. Next thing you pick it. Run away. Okay, update something. You look an object. Oh God, I'm right. You have to take care of picking, man. I want to make picking go on road, go look things. I still come spend the bread and take man early. Can not take care of them. Right.
Papa, me care, man.
John, no Father God. What me I go do? This little girl and I want to do no cleaning at all.
Good evening, sir.
I say you want to live?
Oh.
So you really want to live?
Oh.
Took money out of me tell you about how long?
Daddy, I don't believe say I should break it until the whacker man whack it. Cause when he whack it, me have to go rake it again. And just make one raking and done. Work smarter, man, not harder.
When him whack it?
Whacker. His instrument when he use me a whacker. So when he walk down the grass them, then yeah.
You know, say he's acting like a loose Jezebel around the place.
Oh God, everything me do me get cussing for.
Why you acting like a wild rat?
Alright, listen to this one now. Me I become a wild rat. Okay, father rat. A while ago, I was missing one little girl on the road today, right? And she say her father only give her $200 for buy one bulla. No, they even know for what she done. So me buy her one bun and one little juice. Then, yeah.
Rain go far.
Tappy.
Continue.
Then after now, today me hear one other alien looking something. Discombobulated trash something out of the road. Me she a chat about it. I mean ask her how what happened. And then she knew me. She take me on.
Who take you on?
One. So I think he was so he lace devil lace
So
don't go.
what? She related to who you did help out?
Yes, he say a girl when me buy a little bun for her daughter and say me no fi buy her daughter nothing. Say me fi take care of myself come malnourished.
I could have witch the loose animal. See and I contact you some way
I
think
say,
like that.
and he like he think me look charity. Me tell her say I'm well taken care of right
I don't
here.
grow you like that, you know. You not answer her.
Me answer. Me answer
sure?
the dirty girl. Yeah, daddy. We can't left make when me look
I'm not
lily
grow you
around.
like that.
Me know man.
Listen to me, my daughter. As some more you answer rake too. Waste around there, so. Anytime me had to talk to you,
Yeah.
say clean me up.
Okay.
More you answer and take up the rake.
Say no more.
Okay?
Where it?
And come here. We want to become in life.
I want to be a pilot. I
Pilot.
carry a power plane, yeah.
Make sure. Can make sure me not waste
Me know
money
me I
for
get a
you.
free ticket, man. No worry. You get a free flight. You don't even have to get visa. Me put you up on the plane free.
Go drink some water and cool down yourself and get the rake.
Yeah.
Someone see a behave, man. Wonderful.
From morning, me they come. Lord, they go sweep out this house, you know. Oh God. Hold on. Wait. Tashana, what you doing in my yard?
I mean, on the way else to go, so me have to sleep right or so.
That nothing nothing to do with me. You could have some if you go. No, if you go touch me no why in my yard. Me leave you go argue with you. Tashana, me your mother, your one mother. Touch me, push you home, bring you up in 9 months, and they look at me and war me. Me done with you, no. Just go on. You hear, girl? Go on. Me no want nothing to do with you. Me no want. If anything we have to catch, if you want to catch belly, go and we'll go catch it.
That's how you catch it.
That's why
You
me
love
catch
man.
it. That's why me. Oh, me catch my love man. Okay. Come out of my yard, girl.
Me now come on.
Come out of me. You see, me just based on me talk so nice and calm, girl. Come out of me. You see, if I know the temper me in a, come out of me yard. Come out of me yard. No come out. No come out. You think me that ramp with you, girl? Idiot, workless girl. God. As I wake up, sir, in the morning, and this girl come to stress me out. Come back in my yard. I'm not sure to know about the back here. Come in, my yard must look out of my block. Must look like a bed, a mattress. I don't make that sure my blood pressure, you know. I say, I'm not sure today. I'm not sure my blood pressure at all.
Uncle! Kaya kung kuna dere ko. Uncle! Uncle! I'm good.
Yes, my niece.
Come here. Sorry for drip sa uncle. What?
No, say, me just awake while I'm just a dream, so me dip on a $2 bill of float.
Anyways, uncle. Pan a daily basic, you're my best uncle. Even though you do me some way.
You're my best niece, too, you know.
Yeah. Me can't make a little money. Me want rent one house or something. Please. I me go work. Me forgot on one interview next week. Please, me I beg you. Please, uncle, just you alone can help me right now. Me want to live, cause mommy I deal me one way. It's your mama that me don't want hurt her, so me just easy myself. Cause the day me deal with her one way, she cause me hunger come out. So please, uncle, please, me I beg you, please.
Understand, so I go through a lot of things, you know. My niece, me I tell her, you look nice still, but...
Yeah, me know say me look nice. No, uncle, Uncle Bill, no, uncle.
Let me be. Uncle. Oh, you want money?
Me
Oh,
no,
you want money?
Uncle, just you don't have to do that to me, uncle. Me a niece, uncle.
You think me, nobody have to know?
No,
You have to tell nobody, you know.
Uncle, just... Me know say I have. No, uncle. Me nah come round there, uncle. Bill, uncle. Bill, let me go. Uncle, don't touch me, uncle. You're wicked. Ow. Ow. Oh my gosh. Ow. Oh, baby.
Minutes. Listen. I give one 20,000 and I'm telling nobody, man. And I'm telling
me a virgin.
that's easy enough to tell nobody, and that's between me and you. when the reach on the road, nobody walk so. You understand? Just walk straight like nothing never happened. How you feel? You know like how you feel? Eh?
Uncle,
Forgetting your meat.
Uncle, you fuck me.
Why? Why? Listen now. How you feel? You get me
No,
meat. Oh, you don't feel nice. You don't feel satisfied now.
Alright.
Eh?
Wait for me to say, I soon come here.
Alright, man, wait for you. Man, wait
They say
here.
give me 20,000.
Yes, man, I'll give you 20,000.
Yes, if you don't want, no way.
Huh? No one, no way when I reach out. Okay? If I walk somewhere, they man admire say,
Alright,
you do something.
Stay right here, so.
What?
Right here, so.
Wait for you, yeah?
Yeah. Come on, play. Are you want?
Hey, girl, come on.
Cause this? Are you cause this?
Tashana.
That me I tell you.
What?
You say me get darker.
Oh,
you cause it.
So wait. First I want no Tash take up nice to tab me in my own house. No, so God. What do in your life? Stop it now, wicked impasse, wicked Jesus Christ. Tashana. Jesus Christ. As much as me and him can't breathe. Tash.
I wonder if Minnie's gonna station. Eh? I wonder if I peel my prank. I don't understand. Something fishy, cause she gone. How long as she soon come back? I don't understand that. No, sir, she can't be so fool and shut off her mouth after I tell her everything already. Sure.
Uncle.
How you doing?
Oh God, you're good.
I'm good, man.
I like it. It did to me, you know.
You know, something feel nice. And,
Your uncle, the best.
I mean, no, say, whenever I get the finish carry this, push
Yeah,
push me off.
I did virgin.
Hmm?
They gonna give me 20 grand. How they hear, girl? What did see her talk to her day?
Actually, can't give more money, you know.
Shot look nice. Your shot look bash up, man. You don't nice.
That's why I say, girl, I watch the Bleach channel, I can't watch it, you know. So,
Yes, uncle. Mm-hmm.
so we say, I'm going to go boss.
Yeah, man, but sit down.
I mean, see that, man. I'm going to piece more, I'm never satisfied, you know. So push me, so.
Understand?
Feel nice, you know, you comfortable,
Yeah,
want to go again.
Okay, listen.
How are you?
Okay, so leave them alone. Here, the see people pick me, leave them alone. That me I tell you.
How you do?
Fuck you.
Hear my cry.
My knees!
I've been hurting for days. I keep
My knees!
your name.
You just stop me!
You look right through me. Like I'm glad
Lie down. Shh.
I don't need
My knees, stop me, you wicked girl!
Listen, I see people pick me, leave them alone. Because I'm gonna chop off your neck too. Don't ramp with me.
Stop me, call the ambulance! Call the ambulance!
See people pick me and leave them alone. Because I'm gonna chop up you. Make my dog near me.
mother. I'm in pain. Hear my cry, mother. Say my name.
Where you go?
How you look, sir?
I know I'm stressed out, you know. And my daughter, I'm gonna walk, I look fine, you know, because she's out the house with knife. I'm gonna see her.
You always stress out. You always have fitness problem, man problem, food
I'm
problem.
no kind of problem. I just touch run out the house with knife. I mean, know what touch there.
Oh, you make Tash come out of the house with knife?
Well, I don't know if I tell us anything. Is it me know, bro? I tell the truth.
Tasha get out of hand. Man get out of house.
I know I'm confused. I know
Man
I'm
get out of everything.
I look me the walk, I look for her. She just come and run up and nearly stab me. She nearly stab me.
Stress we take a still care too wicked. They deal with her away. They deal with her like an animal.
With her. Listen.
So me not busy with you and your stress and problem right now because they say in the Bible say And your parents in your life, long and ray, blah, blah, blah. And parents never provoke them pitney to rat. And I to keep on do. I to keep on do so.
So imagine,
You
right?
need some high grade
Me
for
they
you
come
imagine.
to you and me I talk to you say, my daughter miss you. Funny, the thing what you are going to say is, me and your mother, how that come in?
Hey, hello.
Suppose that trouble she go put herself in.
I don't busy with you a long time. I want she put herself in a trouble.
How do you? Oh, you turn up there.
Hey, listen to me. Look at Marga's crib, dirty, cranny for girl. Listen, me know, I to this today, you know. I come back and say, every time when you come, yeah, they come for drive me nerve. Girl, what you want?
Here. I know you, where you picnic there?
I see me there look for which part, matter of fact, for the whole lot.
We are there, no. Tapping eyes, no, we are there, no.
See what you told me for help me class, you look with dirty waist.
No, we are not my turn, girl. My turn because you know. Look a cranny body, pastikin, tough face, gal. Alien leg, looking Long Beach, towel tongue, gal. Look here, let's see if I know what good for you. At the wrong bus stop. Daddy, help me class look at dirty gal.
Daddy?
Yes,
Oi,
Daddy.
maggot short, big nose, lumpy piece of parboiled rice,
Yes.
spoiled porridge. Don't even see my piece of one seed and feel like you can't interrupt and come get yours. Don't even bite yourself. I put in your talk so.
Thank you. And she cost me off yesterday, you know. After me buy her pretty little bun and this Susan cost me off.
You disgrace me pin on the road. Pin tell me story now. I mean, if you didn't know say you know.
So you have.
It's alright.
It's a question. Hold on.
You want me to spend money upon you.
Share your daughter.
And you dey disgrace me one seed. Come like you're blind. You see
You see resemblance.
I resemble. Come go for say I resemble. I don't even remember the word. Oi, don't even get yourself too bright. Go look for your unwanted pitney. You can't control.
That's where they come from.
You're not asking me I come from because you cause all of this.
See that? You provoke her to rot. Yeah, destruction. Hell nah miss you.
That's where you come from.
You cause all of this. Because me I tell you, I say, Mommy, when me talk to you, and talk to you, you treat me like a rubbish bin. You treat me like me's not your daughter.
Like a garbage.
You know,
That church
so
I put.
over there so about to rotten fly take him already.
What?
Kill that here. You cause it.
I said, what?
You cause it. Look, say me not stop up it but true. I love you. And I rate you. I do that.
Ya killer.
The palm toward me stab you too.
Stab you too.
That me I tell you.
Girl, come go in here.
Come on, my daughter. Come on, sir. Because I don't want to turn this mosquito into something else.
Turn which mosquito? Hello.
Stab you.
Control your fly. Hello.
Stab
No,
you.
wait there.
You me I talk.
No, she cut me yesterday, so me look mad and say, I find that no fatter than me.
I can't even black bump there from people face.
Hello, tapping nice. Tash, where's your door while I go? Tash, where's it?
Don't make me laugh with okay? Yes, what if I'm face? You say me laugh? Don't take it for joke. That me I tell you. I want to sit down to you, talk to you, say me hungry. You treat me like a dog. In front of this manner, you treat me.
In front of
like
this
tell
manner?
me, Look here. Don't start up me.
What you want to ramp with
Don't
me?
start up this a bike here.
And your parents this.
Okay, excuse me.
That's a thing,
You talk
murderer.
to my mother.
Any day me hear a chat like a this yeah.
Me stop it now.
Well, you're 32 daily coat.
Yes, cause you Kazi. Me tell about
Oh, me
uncle.
Kazi.
Uncle raped me, so me turn around and kill him. You see me come out with a knife? Me kill that.
Oh,
So, call your car whatsoever, your baby father whatsoever, they come call the, where you call them people there? They dopey truck whatsoever, they can't take him up.
Girl, your uncle Lua?
yes.
Rape me, take my virginity. And when me I tell you, nah, listen me tell you, say, mommy,
Jesus.
ball no ball.
Your
When me
uncle?
did-
Have sex with you?
Yes.
A long time you ride the family them. Long time. That's why your uncle tried that for your daughter. A long
Hey, don't do that. Don't you dare do that. Don't disrespect my mother. Even don't disrespect me,
Why you?
but don't disrespect my
Oi,
mother.
what you don't know older than you.
Sorry.
Here, sorry,
Tell me what?
That's me sorry.
sorry. You should have thanked God say she not breed and she have 15 and you breed for you 14.
Gosh,
Workless mother.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry for neglect you. I'm sorry for not paying attention.
Underprivileged super cow.
Everything just
Zip your mouth now. You can't zip your mouth.
Zip your mouth, police are gonna lock you
Lock
up.
your mouth and make Jamaica smell good, man.
You do killing, police are gonna lock up you.
Me no business, come I did feel right.
Listen, I'm sorry for neglect you. I'm sorry for treat you so. How do we your father treat me?
Come call the police, my daughter.
Why did mama get pregnant? Me are 14
Call the police.
years old. Me never mean
3321.
it. Please.
Right.
Yes, me I beg you.
Aban, yeah, man.
In daughter do killing. You make me that.
Your brother rape my daughter. Your brother rape my daughter. Your brother rape my daughter. And when me did that tell you, you're not listen. Your brother rape my daughter. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Papaya.
Let him go, let him go.
Bye-bye, my one bikini.
What you said to me? What you said to your daughter? You know, stand up. You don't stand up.
One.
Yeah, me
Papa, me kill him. Papa, I'm one bikini. Your brother rape. Bye-bye.
Hey, big chuck. Yeah, right, that's what I'm talking daughter.
Go strip your brother body for body so my daughter kill it.
Me and that no chat. Listen,
Police and then we.
I told you, right?
Shut up your
Me
mouth.
and my brother don't go. What
One,
you
I'm
tell
just with the daughter. You see
I tell you don't go up there.
Now where you
Because me
sell?
and him not chat.
I'm glad
I tell
I'm ready. When me come to you for money, do you?
Don't worry yourself.
Do you
Me
give
gonna
me
take care of my daughter.
$200 you give
I know worry
I
yourself,
know you
Papa.
want to
Me don't
take
want you
care of
help me take care of my daughter. You
I
see
know
you?
you want to
It's a wicked man. Why you never tell
Prisoner
him
cops,
say
him a go take care of
why you
daughter.
never tell him
Yes,
say you get me
take care of me,
pregnant
take care of
when
your
me am
daughter.
14 years old and ruin my childhood. When him never tell him
You did
that
have your
worry
child.
yourself.
Your child who? You did that who?
Yo,
Yes, a box, yeah.
you're a rum head man.
Huh?
We think a rum.
Yeah. But
So you lie. You didn't even stagger come here, so top is staggering.
This man, man, think a rum man.
Hey, girl.
Oi.
Come now, you see it.
Stay out of them bad company there and let's go up.
Hear my cry, mother. I've been hurting for days. I keep calling your name through the walls and the haze. You look right through me, like I'm glass on the shelf. I don't need a sermon, I just need your help. I'm not trying to fight, I'm just trying to breathe. Tell me why my tears feel like they don't reach you. Hear my cry, mother, I'm in pain. Hear my cry, mother, say my name. Don't let me fall, don't let me fade. Hear my cry, mother, stay with me today. I held it in so long, till my hands started shaking at the edge of your door, with my whole heart breaking. I don't want perfect, I don't want proud, I want one soft moment, I want you here now. I'm not trying to fight, I'm just trying to breathe. Tell me why my tears feel like they don't reach you. Hear my cry, mother, I'm in pain. Hear my cry, mother, say my name. Don't let me fall, don't let me fade. Hear my cry, mother, stay with me today. If you see me slip, pull me back in. If I'm barely alive, let me lean on you again. I'm still your child, even like this. Please don't turn away, please don't miss this. Please don't look